Are you taking TMG to support your heart, liver, or energy levels, but not really noticing any difference? Or maybe you've read about its amazing benefits for methylation and longevity, but you're not sure if it's actually doing anything. Here's the truth. Most people who take TMG are making one big mistake that can completely sabotage their results. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that mistake is, why it matters, and how to fix it, so you can get the full benefits of this incredible supplement. Stick around, because if you're using TMG or thinking about starting, this might save you a lot of wasted time and money. Alright, let's get right to it. The number one mistake people make with TMG is taking it blindly, without considering their methylation status or homocysteine levels. TMG is a powerful methyl donor. It helps convert homocysteine, a potentially harmful amino acid, back into methionine, which your body uses to make proteins, neurotransmitters, and even DNA. But here's the catch. If your homocysteine is already low, or if your methylation cycle is unbalanced, taking high doses of TMG can actually cause problems. You might end up with symptoms like anxiety, irritability, sleep disturbances, or even feeling wired but tired. So, just like you wouldn't take blood pressure medication without knowing your blood pressure, you shouldn't just throw TMG into your daily routine without a plan. So how do you know if you need TMG? Step 1. Look at your homocysteine. This is a simple blood test your doctor can order. Optimal levels are usually in the 6 to 8 micromoles per liter range. If you're on the higher side, TMG can be a great tool to bring that down and protect your heart and brain. Step 2. Consider your diet and genetics. If you eat a lot of meat and very few leafy greens, or if you have certain MTHFR gene variants, TMG may help balance your methylation pathways. Step 3. Pay attention to your body. Do you feel better on TMG, more energy, less brain fog, or do you feel jittery and restless? That feedback is gold. Remember, supplements are tools, not magic bullets. The key is to use them intelligently. Okay, so let's say you've decided TMG is right for you. How do you take it correctly? Start low. Begin with 500 milligrams per day. See how you feel for a week or two before increasing. Pair it with cofactors. TMG works best with other nutrients in the methylation cycle. Think folate, B12, and sometimes B6. Without these, TMG can only do part of the job. Time it right. Take it in the morning or early afternoon. Some people get a subtle energy boost from TMG. It's not like caffeine, but it can make you feel more switched on. Choose a reputable brand. This is huge. Not all supplements are created equal. Look for a brand that's third-party tested for purity and potency and follows good manufacturing practices. That way, you know you're actually getting what's on the label. No contaminants, no fillers. And by the way, I've placed a link to the exact TMG supplement I personally take in the description below if you want to see a brand I trust. Recheck your labs. If you're using TMG to lower homocysteine, get retested in 8 to 12 weeks, and adjust your dose based on these results. Here's something most people don't hear. Sometimes you should stop or reduce TMG. If your homocysteine drops too low, or if you notice new symptoms like irritability, insomnia, or feeling overstimulated, back off. Too much methylation can be just as problematic as too little. The goal is balance, not more is better. I see this all the time with supplements. People start something that's helping and think, well, if one pill is good, 3 must be great. Not with TMG. Smart dosing equals smart results. So there you have it. The number one mistake with TMG is taking it without understanding your needs. If you're going to use TMG, do it the right way. Check your homocysteine. Start low. Use the right cofactors. Choose a reputable brand. And listen to your body. When you do that, TMG can be a phenomenal ally for heart health, brain function, energy, and even longevity. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you taking TMG right now? Have you noticed a difference? Drop me a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want to see how I personally stack TMG with other supplements for energy and heart health, check out the video on the screen. Thanks for watching, friends. As always, be happy and be healthy. I'll see you in the next video.